Actually, it is me who got connected to auntie, and that is my biggest, like how Guruji, if you know him and you keep thinking about him in different ways, it's not some ritual or anything. So I had come here just for 6 days because my mother's first death anniversary, and my last date of leaving was 17th. 15th also I felt this time I came to India and had no idea of any darbars around. I used to get like pull from his darbar that somewhere I should go. That pull used to be there for me. So I was always in my thoughts ki it's even in 6 days it's India. It's so common that darbars are there, but I couldn't make it. And that random to 2:30 in the afternoon, the family which like drove me till here, like they directed me, are actually very close to my place, and they are right opposite where my mother used to live here, and they knew me. I had already messaged them that I'm here for 6 days and everything, but we had no contact, and suddenly that day 2:30 auntie messaged me, just come. And I just jumped out of my place and ran to her without changing nothing. And I was there, and after half an hour, her daughter came back from office telling that she came in half day. And we asked why, and then she told her colleague there was sick. They were driving towards the clinic and all, and those were the reasons. And while talking, I was just doing this, and I have Guruji Maharaj Swarup here, and she said, "Oh, आप गुरुजी वाले हैं?" I said, "Yes." She said, "मेरी कलीग जो बीमार है वो गुरुजी वाली है, वो मुझे 2 साल से बताती है, एक बार वो मुझे कहीं ले भी गई दिल्ली में, लेकिन आप कैसे जुड़े?" मैंने कहा वो बाद में बताऊंगी, पहले बताया आसपास कोई सत्संग है आज या कल में, परसों तो मेरी फ्लाइट है. And that is how she traced that girl, and we came to know it is auntie's place, not far away from my place, maybe just 2.5 kilometers. And then immediately I informed my family that I got this facility and I'll go. That time my phone had no local SIM, so I asked her only to book my Ola or whatever it books. And suddenly auntie also said, "Can I join you?" I was like, that's great because I'm not alone to travel in here, so my family will be so happy. This is how after 1, 2, 3 we became 5 Sangats to come here. Actually, I was the one who wanted, and then we became nearly 4, 5 people to reach here. That was the starting of me coming here, and the satsang auntie is telling, I'll now continue. Actually, there are few actual face-to-face interactions, which because we tell and sometimes we mix up here and there. Somewhere I'll put corrections. Just because ये गुरु का दरबार है, पता नहीं किसको क्या मैसेज जाना है. So we should not, जहाँ तक हो सके अच्छा ही जाए. So that lady met me in Tokyo. Her name is Neha. Okay, I'm just telling because it will be difficult for me to relate whom I'm talking about. So she just tapped behind my shoulder. Before that meeting of me and her, we had just met only once, and that too just like introductory, like I want something in the market and it's all Japanese, so help me. And then I had forgotten. She said, "Do you remember?" I said, "No." And then she said, the child in my pram is the second child. My first child is unwell. So I thought maybe they are new here, they want something. So I said, "Do you need any guidance or help?" So Japan, it's mostly fully Japanese. So those who are old, they know how to trace. So, no, not that. She just said, "I'm just informing you, I have 2 kids. I said, "Okay." Then she said, "Are you walking towards home?" I said, "Fine." She says, "I want to share something which is deep to my heart." I said, "Most welcome. I mean, if you really feel that way." And I was wondering that somebody is trying to share something personal. And then she said, the child which is at home is autistic, and by birth. And he's autistic quite a lot. So that child was 12 years. So we have heard, but I have never seen an autistic child, and I don't like just asking about such things to someone. It may not be appealing to a person. So I said, fine, we'll walk and talk. So that till then I had attended this darbar only maybe once or twice to a neighbor in my place. And I knew not much about it. Only an experience of that 2 hours which we sit, because it is around 2016 or 15 maybe, and that was a time when so much information about Guru Maharaj was not there on YouTubes and all. This has come because of COVID. Because people have started putting so many satsangs around the globe through Zoom and YouTubes. That time I just had an experience of that darbar and 1 or 2 discussions, and of course Guru Maharaj satsangs through different media. So I said, I have come across something, I'll just guide you. And that's how the satsang went. And she took the information, and somewhere she happened to attend in between, and she was immediately leaving that country for good to India. She was reaching Bhopal, so she has to first come to Delhi and then travel. She came to Delhi to her brother's house, and they got the news Bhopal has 3 days Bhopal Bandh. So the brothers stopped them not to continue, because the lady was traveling with 2 kids alone. You might get stuck even getting a taxi or a public vehicle or things. And see how he wants Sangat, and the time when your time comes, how he gives a call. That is the point here. And she stayed back, and their parents were in Chandigarh, and for no reason, no information, next day morning they reached. And they were all surprised, their whole families together. And of course, afternoon, after rest and all, the mother and the daughter discussed this information of mine. And then they said, we are in Delhi next day also. Should we give a try? And the way this girl told me is, Auntie, I am just telling you this happening because a mother who has first child like this would have tried anything and everything in this world. And I had tried, not India, abroad, here and there, what not I have tried. But my mother said, where so many things, why not this? And suddenly they said, we'll tell the house people that we are going to a mall. They just took the kid, mother, daughter and kid, 3 people took a taxi or auto and left. And this is the next auntie told that was an off day for the temple, and she was sweeping it, and they didn't knew it was seva. But because they had reached, they said our feelings were so different. And while they were leaving the place, that sevadar from inside gave them some sweets box and guided him. I'm not sure what was the exact guidance, but that was precisely for that boy. And then she traveled to Bhopal, and the boy used to go to the school with a aide. They used to carry a nurse every day for that child. So past 7-8 years since he is schooling, he was going with a medical aide. A nurse used to assist him. This time they joined the school, and the nurse said after 2 weeks only she is available. She is already booked somewhere. So the mother had to accompany for 2 weeks. And she says that after a week or so in the school canteen, she had a couple of experiences, but of course they couldn't relate. And after 2 months, in between also the message from school was, the child seems to be quite good now. He's recovering. But it had to again go through all medical steps, processes, tests, psychologists, everything. And she says after all this took time, until then they had some test or something, and the child was performing good. Best thing is, autistic kids very difficult to make friends, and now he had good friends. And he could keep connecting. And that was the place when, of course, the reports which the doctors collect was, and he was declared to be nearly 80% out of the trouble. And now also he is towards recovery, more or less just few percents left. And this satsang, I got to hear after I met her, 8 months later, she called me from Bhopal that my husband is transferred to UK. But auntie, I was searching for you. Do you remember me? And really, I didn't remember her. And she gave the all reference, and that, that was one trigger for me also. That गुरुजी किसी ना किसी को निमित्त बनाते हैं और आप तक पहुंचाते हैं. उसमें मेरा, उसका और पता नहीं किस किस का कर्मों का लेखा जोखा था जिसको बैलेंस किया. And this also I got to understand after an year or maybe more. This is how things look so trivial on the face. We listen to shabads and just have snacks and prasad. That prasad that boy got, the prasad she took on the first satsang, maybe that pulled the connection to him. So Anantam Shukrana mere Malik ka, lekin there is no end to describe him. We cannot. He is an experience for every soul. Every soul will have its own way of telling. It's just we can try to inform. This is really Mahashiv, and still it's not easy to talk about him. We cannot. We should not try. That's how he used to say, अपने सारे if and but जुतियां नाल बाहर रख के आ जाओ, because you cannot. See, very trivial things, no? We are, as a body, as in nature, small, minute things. How has he created and he manages? How much ever we try to know, we cannot. So let's not try. My motto is just surrender. Keep walking. Surrender is a word. It's not easy to experience. Even I'm still learning. So that's my all. शुक्राना मेरे मालिक का. बस अपने चरणों में हमेशा रखें. मेरी तो यही अरदास हर समय होती है.
Jai Guruji, please have your Langar Prasad completely. Don't waste a single morsel on your plate. ताकि सेवादार को आपको बोलना पड़े कि complete करो. Please complete everything. And with Guruji's grace, there is a line of Sangat who want to share some amazing divine satsangs. Stay connected. Thirgar Beso Harjan Pyare. Sadguru Tumare Kaat Savare.
Jai Guruji, Sangat ji. As she said, connectivity और गुरुजी जोड़ते हैं, गुरुजी सब कुछ करते हैं. This was a very, very amazing satsang that happened. This was on the 1st of January. 1st of January. I had a, जैसे गुरुजी के अंदर में ना 5 दिन आया करो. That is his birthday. Whatever are those 5 particular days from the year. Mahashivratri, his birthday, first New Year मेरे नाल मनाया करो. And he said, which is the other 3 of them?
Diwali,
Vaisakhi, I think Vaisakhi.
Diwali.
And Guru Purnima.
नहीं Guru Purnima.
Nahin?
What?
5 anyway. So the New Year I did a satsang in my daughter's house. We had her mother-in-law on the 31st tells me, Gurmeet ji, ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾ satsang आज करेंगे 11:30. I said ठीक है जी. ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਸਭ she organized everything. After organizing everything on the 1st, my sister, I called her, it was her birthday also, and I said, Didi, aap aa jao. She came, and she came with one big laddu dabba. And on the 31st, she is asking me, Dusi ki leke aunga. I said, Nini, everything is organized, don't bring. So, yet she brought laddu dabba. Anyway, she came since it was a Sunday. So afterwards, very quietly in my ear, she's telling me, I have kept 2 samosas for you in the car. So once the satsang is over, you go down and quietly take the samosas from down. I said, okay, but Di, I never told you to bring. She said, nahi, but फिर भी मैं ले आई हूँ. See the connectivity, how it had to come, and nothing is coincidence in Guruji's darbar. Though I love samosas, but that day मैंने जिक्र नहीं किया कि मेरे लिए समोसे ले आना. मेरा normally मैं जिक्र कर भी देती हूँ कि ले आई हूँ. She does, she goes. The darbar gets over with Guruji's meher, everything. Then I remember she said, 2 samosa na pulni. I said, ठीक है. I take that packet of 2 samosas and I take it to my house. It's a packet, तो I feel कि नीचे वो चटनियाँ रखते हैं और ऊपर 2 समोसे रख दिए होंगे. I also very nicely I kept it in the fridge. At 11 o'clock in the night, I tell my maid that भैया निकाल उसमें समोसे हैं 2. Sangat ji, when I open the lifafa, and I said 2 समोसे नीचे चटनी है, there are 7 samosas. 7, and like I'm counting literally for half an hour from 11:30 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. मैंने कहा भाई काटे ना हो जाएगा क्या, आवाज ना हो जाए. ओ मैं जल्दी 12 बज गए. मैं 7 से मैडम सो जाओ, साथ ही हैं. 6:30 in the morning I ring up my sister. I said, Dee, how many samosas you got? ਉਹ ਵੀ ਭੁਲੇਖੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈ ਗਈ. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ 2. मैं क्या, are you sure? कहते ने 2. वो करान वाले हो. No coincidence. Nothing. So I said, no, Dee, there are 7. She's saying, Acha, I don't know. She says, after that, she got confused for 1 hour. She's laboring, where is the bill? So in 1 hour, she says, I labored the bill and I saw that I've done payment only for 2. But Guruji had to send me 7. His blessings, his on the first, that too. And I was shocked. I rang up Rupali auntie. I said, auntie, की करना है 7 समोसे तो मैं नहीं खा सकती इको बारी ना, बीमारी ना पाओ. So she said, नहीं संगत विच वंड दे. So I rang up. I was so excited. I shared this satsang with all the people who are connected to Guruji. ओ फोन आनिया शुरू हो गया जी, मेरे वास्ते एक रख देना, एक मेरे वास्ते रख देना. मैं क्या हेलो, जो आएगा ले जाओ, अप्पा तो नहीं डंजो करना. तुसी जिसने आना है संगत आके ले जाए. फिर रूपाली आंटी से you bring here also to the darbar, and that day I got samosas and a lot of sangat, whoever Guruji wanted to bless or blessed with those 7 samosas what Guruji sent to me. It was so surprised कि 2 से 7 ना 5 ना 6 ना 8, exactly 7, exactly. So as she said, Karan, no coincidence in Guruji's darbar. Everything is planned by him via media, who all. But surrender, as she says, शुक्राना गुरुजी, and bless. He blesses जो सत्संग सुनाता है और जो सुनता है, दोनों की blessings होती है. शुक्राना गुरुजी, शुक्राना.
So after listening to this satsang that was shared by Uncle on live, one auntie in US had gone for a satsang and she got samosas, 2 samosas in a silver foil. So there are 3 people in a family. तो उन्होंने गुरुजी को बोला मुझे 7 समोसे तो नहीं चाहिए, 3 होते तो अच्छा था. नेक्स्ट डे उसने फॉइल खोला